Hey everyone! If you love satisfying desk toys, check this out. This double-sided Volcano liquid motion display combines colorful flowing liquids with a unique volcano-inspired design to create a relaxing visual effect. It's perfect for relieving stress, decorating your workspace, or giving as a thoughtful gift. Don't forget to tag someone who needs to see this, and you can order one from our eBay store or website link in the description. Thanks for watching.